Hello and welcome! Today, we're going to talk about Lamisil tablets, a well-known antifungal medication used to treat various fungal infections in the body. Whether you've been prescribed Lamisil tablets or you're just curious, this video will give you everything you need to know: the uses, side effects, dosages, contraindications, and precautions. Lamisil tablets, also known by the generic name terbinafine hydrochloride, belong to a class of medications called antifungals. Lamisil tablets work by stopping the growth of fungi. It targets the fungal cell membrane, leading to its breakdown and eventually killing the fungus. Small blue diamond uses. Lamisil tablets are mainly used to treat fungal infections such as onychomycosis, fungal infection of the toenails or fingernails; tinea corporis, ringworm of the body; tinea cruris, jock itch; tinea pedis, athlete's foot. These tablets are effective because they attack the fungus from within, which is especially helpful in deep or stubborn infections. Small blue diamond. What are dosage Lamisil tablets? The typical adult dose of Lamisil tablets is 250 mg once daily, usually taken for 6 weeks for fingernail infections, 12 weeks for toenail infections. However, the exact duration depends on the type and severity of the infection. Always follow your doctor's instructions when taking Lamisil tablets. Do not stop the treatment early, even if symptoms improve. What are the side effects of Lamisil tablets? Like all medications, Lamisil tablets can cause side effects. Common side effects may include headache, nausea, diarrhea, stomach upset, taste disturbances. Less commonly, Lamisil tablets may cause more serious effects such as liver problems, e.g., yellowing of the skin or eyes, dark urine, skin rashes or allergic reactions, loss of appetite or extreme fatigue. If you experience any of these severe side effects, stop using Lamisil tablets and contact your healthcare provider immediately. Small blue diamond. What are the contraindications of Lamisil tablets? Lamisil tablets should not be used in people who have known allergy to terbinafine or any of its ingredients, suffer from severe liver disease, are pregnant or breastfeeding, unless advised by a doctor. Always inform your doctor about any medical conditions before starting Lamisil tablets. Precautions of Lamisil tablets. Before using Lamisil tablets, keep the following precautions in mind. Liver function tests may be required before and during treatment. Avoid alcohol, as it increases the risk of liver damage. Inform your doctor about all the medications you're taking, especially antidepressants, blood pressure medicines, or other antifungals. Use caution if you have kidney disease or immune system problems. To wrap up, Lamisil tablets are a powerful solution for fungal infections that don't respond to topical treatments. While they're generally safe and effective, it's important to use Lamisil tablets under medical supervision and follow all precautions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more health-related content.